Welcome friends to my channel Neeraj Kapse. I'm Neeraj Kapse. So today I'm going to show you how you can install Embed OS on your PC. So there are two options you can have with Embed OS, either with compiler based Embed OS, or you can have IDE, that is offline IDE you can install on your PC, and you can run uh, around 150 160 microcontroller units with different manufacturers like Nuvoton, then ST Electronica. Then we have like many hardware tools are also available. So I'm going to show you how you can install that. So first of all, open Embed OS. So for that you can just for that you can just Google Embed OS. Type on a Google MBD OS. So once you type Embed OS, you will get first link Embed OS link. Over here you can have overview, hardware, code and all. So with this Embed OS, so what are the different boards or what are the different manufacturers you can program? You can program near about 167 chips. So here current version of Embed is Embed 6.7. Then Samsung, ST Electronica, then Cypress, you can do Nuvoton, Renesas, embedded for you. Then we have ARM, okay. Then Rombi.io. Then we have NXP, Expresso, uBlocks, okay. Toshiba is there. So many versions and many companies you will get here. There is Analog Devices, ARM, Cypress Semiconductor, Giga Devices, Maxim Integrated, Nordic Semiconductor, Nuvoton, NXP, Realtek, Renesas, Samsung, Silicon Labs, MT, ST Microelectronica, then Toshiba, WiseNet. So it supports like Cortex A3, A9, M0, M1, M3, M4, M7, M23, M33, like that. So it supports JTAG and all as well. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how you can use this. Okay, so there are two options. Either you can do offline installer and the online installer. For the offline installer, go to overview. Here Embed Studio is available, so just click on Studio, Embed Studio. There are three options available with the Embed Studio. One is Windows version, second is Mac, and third is a Linux. So I need to download this Windows version. Just right click on this, copy this link, okay, and just paste in your downloader. So I pasted it. So it's about 1.6 GB. So I can just start download. Just hit a start download. So it's downloaded. It's very good speed. Just close it. Now I'm going to install it. So just go to your download directory where you have downloaded it. So I have downloaded it into a download programs. So here it is, Embed Studio 1.3.1. That is Embed OS 6 is available. So it is 1.1 GB setup. Just double click on the setup for the installation. So it will extract the installer first. Then we need to have Embed Studio and ST-Link drivers. Just click on the next button, Embed Studio IDE, ARM compiler 6 and terms and conditions. Just accept this. So you can use anyone for this computer or only for me. So I have only one user, so I will keep that as it is. And then it will ask you where is the destination folder. So I will keep as it is and just click on the next. So it's going to install particularly. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes for installing all the files and extraction. In between that, it will ask you to add the drivers. Just click on yes button to install this drivers. So it will install the drivers from ST Microelectronica. Just click on install. So many of the drivers it automatically finds on the internet and then install. Okay, once it's done, you will get completing Embed Studio setup. Then run the Embed Studio setup. You can run it. You will get desktop icon here, Embed Studio. Just click on a finish. It will automatically runs this particular setup. Okay, once it's done, it will open the Embed Studio. The software is little bit heavy, but once it's in running condition, it's easy to use. So you can open it by double clicking this on Embed Studio. Let's refresh it. So once you open this Embed Studio, you need to log in with your sign in username. So you have to create an account on Embed. So just log in. So here there is a button to create an account. So I have already created an account, so I will log in with that email ID and a password. So just I have done. Just click on a sign in. So once you are done, all the data will be retrieved from the cloud of Embed, and you will get offline compiler that you can use for your programming. Okay, so here you will get custom hardware support, also catching Embed OS speed to your development workflow, source management. So you can do this terminal, embed programs, documents, library management and all. Okay, it will take some time for continuing this workflow, development workflow. It's 88% is completed. So it will sync from the internet. First time it will take data from the internet, and you will get all the libraries of Embed and CMSIS DApp as well from the website. Now it's done with the setup. Then just click on a get started for the IoT and all. So you'll get, it will open the Embed Studio. So it will populate all the programs available with your username and a password on the cloud. So you can go to file. There are different options: new program, import program, save as, settings, edit option, selection option, view window, go to terminal window and a help window. So this is the way. Here we can create and pull program. You will get a feedback as well. So you can select your program and select your target device. So all the target devices are available. Suppose if I'm programming for LPC 1768, so just I need to type that LPC 1768 and I need to choose that embed. Build profile, debug, develop and release, all the three options are available. So also we can run it from here itself. So I can debug it, I can develop and all. So here these are the options. So we can create a new program. So I want to create a new program, select the Embed OS program, Embed OS Blinky program, AWS, Azure, Google IoT Cloud, Mesh Minimal, example socket. So many options are available. So just I will click Embed Blinky. So given the name, so 1 GB. So add this program. So once I have added, so I need to select the target. Target is loading. So I need to choose the target again. Okay, so target I'm going to choose. Okay, so Embed Blinky is available. So here it is output, here it is a library, OS is available here. Okay, so I can explore it under main.cpp. The main code is here, it is a code. Okay, we can run digital out LED1 to blink. Okay, time.sleep for blinking rate. Okay, so like this we can program on the embed. We can compile it here. So this is about installation of how offline embed OS on your PC. So if you like this particular video, please press like button. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button. Also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you.